help build this?
I helped them.
A bunch of people help frame it and stuff.
Right.
So.
Yeah, but they put up the drywall.
Any rate, moving along.
Build that wall.
We have now we have a wall. Okay, this is where all these cabinets are gonna go. All right. See all these beautiful cabinets. So they're gonna go on this wall right here. We're gonna have everything for the dyno basically tucked up in these cabinets. It's gonna look pro. Okay, it's gonna look pro. So that's what we're doing here, and then we have an upstairs now.
Follow me. This is what I've got so far. You guys will see here in a second. I'll take you where these parts used to be. But we've got headlights, we got Toyota parts, this will be an all R32 shelf, and I think I'm gonna have to have another one. Come on this way in the dark corner.
Let's take it in the dark corner.
I'm scared when Devin asked me to come into the dark corner.
I don't know how much you guys can see, but I got all my intercooler couplers, customer products. This is for builds. Driver Motorsports parts that will probably be for sale here soon. If you see anything, let us know. It might be for sale.
And look at this. Huh? Nice. $5.
Hey, 1990s calling.
They want their amp back.
Yep. If you want a RB26 Freddy manifold.
They even wrote Freddy.
Yeah. See, so it's styled after a Greddy part, but it's fake. So Freddy.
Yeah, so it's a fake Freddy, a Freddy.
Think you're so smart, huh, bitch?
It's a look-alike, basically.
Yes.
You know, like fake wheels.
Right, that like band lights.
Yeah.
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 We don't mess with that.
We just accept it. Dan is
What kind of wheels do you have on your Civic?
stock
What did you have on your Civic?
ESRs. That was before I worked here, though. Dan
I
still
rest
likes...
on your face.
I rest on your faith.
Whoa. What?
All right.
Devin!
Devin? Hi! I think they've already seen CJ's detail area being built.
Let's show them anyway.
Go in there.
Welcome to the Beehive. Ain't that right, CJ?
Yeah.
Is this your own little personal space?
This is my happy sanctuary.
No, get the fuck out.
Yeah. What do you say? It's on the sign. Do not enter.
So we're gonna sheetrock all this eventually. Nice 2 tall cabinets on either side, recessed into the wall, all painted black in here.
It's gonna look
Ooh, it's gonna
fresh.
look good.
All black wall, light.
And why do you want to do black walls, CJ?
So there's like a science behind it. So the flat black walls, anytime a scratch shows up, because you're not looking directly at the light, you're looking next to the light. So it'll show up with a white scratch with a black background. If you have a white background, it works good for painting the cars, but when you're going to fix the paint, you can't see it. So
want
flat black with the lights. It's great. It's great.
Science.
Science, bitch.
Yes, science!
Yo, hold up. Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my crib.
Oh, yo, what's up?
Yo, that's that weird homie who's always stealing shit. You know, look at him. Yeah, but I don't think you guys have ever seen up here.
I don't know if they ever have. It's definitely a lot bigger now, and there's so much more room for activities.
Yeah, like we'll be like
So what have y'all been doing up here?
Cleaning this out.
Yeah, we have like
Mostly Devin.
6
I can't
GTRs
really
worth of parts
take,
up here.
Much credit because it's mostly been Devin cleaning out all this stuff.
It doesn't
He's
look like
been
we did much either.
organizing all this. Now look at how beautiful. Okay.
So if you guys want Frenchie's, Haltech, Nuke, or do we carry mapping and stuff on our website?
Yeah, maybe.
Anyways, head to shopdrivermotorsports.com. Is that what it is, right? Or is it Driver Motorsports shop?
They work here.
It's shopdrivermotorsports.com.
See, I was right.
Know
I was right. See?
the first time.
Yeah.
All right, so yeah, we're cleaning this out. We're gonna organize it better. We're gonna have tires up here and coilover storage. So that's why we're doing this.
As you guys just saw, we had all the parts that used to be here upstairs there. So it's starting to be full up there. I've got a bunch of pallets I still got to load up there. But what you guys haven't seen before was there was a row of shelving right where Chris is. And it was packed full.
I thought they were about
Yeah,
to hug.
Hug?
The other thing they haven't seen is how many body panels we have upstairs.
Oh yeah, the upstairs.
We don't talk about the upstairs.
Don't talk about the upstairs, no.
That's where we keep Caden when he's
Anybody want an S13 Sylvia kit? We got 4. Chris just needs to decide on 1, and then we can.
have 3.
We have 3.
I'm gonna pick one and go with it, and then the other 2 will be for sale. We're gonna be selling a lot of stuff.
So if you guys
JDM
want
stuff.
use JDM stuff, go to shop.drivermotorsports.com.
Or brand new. Look at this. Brand new R32 GTR front bumper in the box.
Brand new.
I see these going for like 4 G's now.
We'll give you a killer deal.
$2,500. And it's a killer deal.
Yeah.
It's crazy expensive.
Brand new
but
in box.
That's a good deal. And we've got some other stuff too. We got some like front lips for GTR.
Oh, yeah.
And all kinds of
We got a
stuff.
brand new one right there.
That's a Supra actually.
Oh, okay.
But there's a brand new one out there. All right. All right. So back in the back here, it's kind of a mess. All right. We still got some, we got some GTRs around here. No big deal. Just some GTRs and a 240Z.
And a poor man Supra.
And S13 drift car with a 2JZ GTE. No big deal. Single turbo RB26.
7.
Whatever.
27.
RB27. That's right. See, there's a real gritty intake.
Yes. See, that's what we
That's
were
a
talking
real
about.
gritty intake.
Yep.
Okay, another GTR, no big deal. Shout out to our sponsors, BEMPAC and Vibrant Performance. You see all their goodies we got over here. All right, Devin loves that shit. Loves it.
I roll
I'm
up.
not gonna call it shit. I'm gonna call it loves that product. Okay, loves the product.
Chris has yelled at me before. I sleep next to that stuff. I love it so much. I have to roll up my mattress every day.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, it's messy in here. It's messy. All right, so let's just keep it up.
Josh's lift.
Oh yeah, this is Josh's new lift.
Bin pack.
BEMPAC, well, of course.
Who else are we
Right.
gonna go with?
When's Josh coming home?
Next week, he's gonna be here full
Monday.
time. No, it's Tuesday actually. Got delayed one day. I know. Don't be sad. Some Skylines, S14s. Damn, the window's open again in this thing. I don't get it.
Damn raccoon!
The raccoons here at Driver Motorsports know how to roll down windows.
So this right here is gonna be the Driver Motorsports grip car. I got the S13 drift car with a 2J in it. This is gonna get an LS in it. I know, people. I know. Just leave it alone. It's gonna be okay.
Look, it's a 240, not a Sylvia. So
It is a 240, right? So it's a US
Yeah.
car.
Yeah.
It's okay to put an LS
Yeah.
in. Just for road course racing, it's a good choice. We're gonna do a dry sump,
we're gonna bring it back as far as we can.
low, and towards the middle, all the weight. It's gonna be awesome. And then we got the Z32 drag project. Okay, this is gonna be the drag racing car
It's the
for
first
Driver
time.
Motorsports.
First time I'm hearing about this one.
Me too.
It's gonna have a stroked 3.4 liter 2JZ GTE.
You know it's got a pond in the back right now? Like fishies?
Whoa! Oh! Get that rabbit!
Not you, Devin.
I'm talking about the camera. Oh, there is a pond in there.
Hello, fishies!
Hello, fishies.
CJ's car.
The car looks great, CJ.
Yeah, car looks awesome.
It's a working
CJ.
project.
We got customers 240 SX. This is the one that you fixed all the sheet metal on, right? Or the underneath.
No, this is not.
Oh.
This one,
thought
if
that
you
was the
remember,
one.
this one was red, and Josh tuned it. And then it went to paint, and now it's not running. I have a funny feeling it's like a ground that they painted over, and
That, I guarantee you that's what it
Yeah.
is. because it was running fine, and then it went to paint, came back.
Yeah, it
doesn't
was
run.
tuned. It made like 300 horsepower. It's got an SR in it.
And now suddenly it doesn't run.
Yeah. So
That's what happens, people. A lot of times, stuff gets painted, and then people put the grounds back. It's not grounding because it's painted.
Yep.
We got this awesome 60 series Land Cruiser. Shouldn't this be listed for sale? What's going on?
I don't
What's
know.
going on, Cody?
It'll be listed this upcoming week.
Isn't it just need cleaning up and detailing?
I think so.
I'm sure it does.
Look at it. Look how beautiful it is. Would you just look at it? What is that? What is that? I say, would you just look at that?
Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
These are awesome. I mean, I've never seen one in person.
No.
This is the first one I've ever seen in person. And if you scooch the camera up underneath there, you can check out, you can see how rust-free it is.
Is this a diesel or a gas?
This is diesel.
Dang.
4.0 diesel. Look at how these things supposedly are bulletproof.
Look at how clean the side of that
Just
engine is.
insane. I mean, honestly, like these are supposed to be the best diesel engines, the 4 liters. Ed's Q45 drift car, the Y32 Cedric Gloria, one of those right there. A couple more GTRs out here, just whatever.
And Chris, if you don't know, we'll have a build series on it, but Chris is now, he has a Chaser, JZ400 Chaser, and he thinks he's superior than every other car.
Speaking of JZX100 Chasers, this is a customer's JZX100 Chaser that we're doing like a full-on build.
Yeah, manual swap, big single.
Yeah, it's gonna be pretty damn dope.
Yeah.
So look out for that one coming. Beautiful Aristo. Remember, Caden thought this was turbo. He drove it right, and he came in. He was like, "Yo, that thing's fast, man. This thing's fast, bro." And I'm like, "Is it a turbo?" I'm like, "I don't think it is. It's got the NA wheels on it." And he was like, "I don't know. It's really fast, really fast." And I was like, "Oh, let's pop the hood, man. Let's check it out." NA, just like I thought.
Yep.
Here's the JZX100.
It's just a Chaser, don't worry about it.
Yeah, we're not making a mini series about that or anything.
We are too. This thing is sick. I love it.
It's a great car.
I love this car. I love this car. Oh my god. Okay. And then the JZX90 Mark II. Okay, this thing, look at that. You want Stance Boy? Huh? You want Camber Gang?
You want to look low, but not actually be low?
You want crazy lips? Okay, you want DSLs? All right, do you want DSLs? Look at the lips on this car.
Hey, just shout out to whoever rolled these fenders, stretched these fenders. I mean,
It's called pull. Roll and pull.
whoever pulled these fenders, I did it. I don't even know what to call it.
Here's another GTR.
Chris thinks OJs are everything now.
I know they are. Here's Ed's car. Okay.
That's all.
Well, it has a deposit. But I'm not gonna say it's sold until it's sold.
Yeah.
Money's in the bank. Never count your chickens until they're hatched, people. Okay?
That's not the same.
Yes, it is the same.
Never. Oh! I thought it was don't count your eggs or something.
Don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Yeah. Yeah.
This son bitch has chickens. He owns chickens.
Oh,
Look
great.
at all those chickens.
Look at all those chickens.
I'm gonna have to start doing drug tests, I think.
I'm
Okay.
clean, man. Clean, man. Don't do that to me.
Anyway. Oh, there's a car leaving.
Yep. Bye-bye.
To its new owner. That was the dark blue Y33 SEMA. That thing looked good. All right, so we got R32 GTST that is ready for pictures. All right, so as soon as Tevin takes pictures, we'll have this listed up for sale on our website. Let's see. Also, R32 Skyline GTR, another one, the Leopard, which has just been listed for sale for $13,900. Beautiful car. I mean, please check it out.
Thank you, sir.
Gorgeous cars. I love the tail lights. Get the tail lights.
And that rear quarter body line.
I know this part right here.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. JZX 100 Chaser right here. Okay.
One of our most popular cars
Yes.
recently.
People love this thing. Well, I mean, what's not to love?
Doesn't have an RV.
I know. That's why I said, what's not to love?
Are y'all gonna get back to work or something? Or?
Are you gonna get back to work?
Yeah.
I've been working, son.
Like, that's probably about it. You know, the open house is coming. Open house, car show, dyno day, swap meet, just crazy stuff going on. All right, this is April 30th at noon. Be there or be
Rectangle.
Imagination.
So concludes our shop tour. I know this was a little crazy. I mean, you get Devin involved and it just goes off the rails.
Straight up.
Very amusing character, especially when he's, off his meds. So concludes our broadcast day and this video of the shop tour at Driver Motorsports, dealership, shop, everything.
Update.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. It's been great having you. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you want to see, and stay tuned for more.